thought as dreary as it is, it'd be nice to come someplace with a beach. Today's topic is, would you rather? Would you rather have a head the size of a grapefruit or one the size of a watermelon? What is this up here? My friend Jonathan, aka the Lone Wolfer, said when a motorcyclist is in distress, to place a helmet 5 feet behind.
Hope that guy's okay.
Hey, just chilling. Alright. Taking pictures of the water down there.
Yeah, I didn't see his helmet behind the bike, so not everybody knows that.
What?
That signal. Oh, so if you have distress, put your helmet about 5 feet behind your motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
And it signals that you're having an issue.
He said, place a helmet 5 feet behind a motorcycle. It's about 5 feet. There's a helmet. I don't see anybody around. I mean, they could be in that building right there. I'll go check on them. Let me get their helmet off the ground. Somebody doesn't stop. Ah! Head the size of a grapefruit.
If you have distress, put your helmet about 5 feet behind your motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
And it signals that you're having an issue.
Or your head fell off.
Or your head fell off. Wow, you are dark, man.
Keep it dark.